So this guy had a really strong symmetrical tonic neck reflex. So we're doing a therapist-assisted cat-cow. So Miss Natalie's holding his hands and keeping them in place. And then Nurse Alex is doing an awesome job of really complementing everything by putting his pelvis in the right motion. So right there, we're flexing the low back and pelvis, and here we're extending. So she's using her thumbs to kind of push just above the sacrum while he looks up. And then our awesome OT, Miss Christine, is using her hands to then put him in the movements that we want. And then what you can't hear is that they're actually telling him, hey, look at your belly button here. So giving him something to look down at. So you can see that STNR coming out here, and Miss Christine cued him by tapping his arm, say, keep your arms straight. You can even put your arms outside their elbows or use some no-nos to fix their arms. But here they're just working on some spinal mobility while maintaining that elbow fixation. So they're cueing him now. So elbows stay extended, looking towards his belly button. Alex is extending his hips and pelvis and low back while we're looking up, and then always giving him something to look up towards is huge. So if we're saying look up here, look at the ceiling, getting their eyes to help facilitate the movement is always going to make it more therapeutic. So he gives himself a little bit of round of applause.